So I'm having such great difficulty getting to work. It's like 26 degrees, mild breeze. I'm in the shade with a nice bottle of water here. And I'm so in love with this view. I have to head down today. I work tomorrow and I have a really busy day. And I've got to do some prep tonight. But this, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am just totally in love with all of this. Oh my goodness. Everyone's gone home. We've got a boat in the bay over there fishing. Got a nice breeze today, which is unfortunate. I was hoping to get the planter painted or spray painted. It was really it was calm this morning. So anyway, here we are. Jason came by, and I mean, the experience I've had with him is beyond me. There was nothing that was an issue. He said we still have fine things to do here. The water level is actually very high still. Usually this time of the year, Monkey Rock is fully exposed, so it's probably 12 inches high. So the beach usually starts over there. So we have about 8 feet of beach. So we'll have a little bit more here. So amazing. Tomorrow's going to go up to 31 with high humidity, so that's going to be a tough day. There's the old fire pit with petunias in it. So we've got hot pink and purple. I watered them, so we should have a nice full pit full of petunias soon. So when Jason was here, he pulled up the water line, and sure enough, over there, it's torn and broken. We don't think it impacted the trace, the heat trace, or whatever it's called, the heated line. So fingers crossed that we won't have an issue with it. He's coming back on Saturday morning to hook it up, to patch it, I don't know how they'll do that, but he's going to patch it, and something he said they use all the time, and they could just do a spot repair, and then I can test the water to make sure everything is running okay. So they're going to spread that mulch for me, so I'm going to be able to do the garden around to come and meet this stump hopefully next weekend, if it's not too hot and humid or raining. So with that done and the beach done, I thought I would have a lot more cleanup with the beach, and I don't. So we had some rain yesterday, well, quite a bit. We had three thunderstorms. So I think this will all be okay for until next week when I am in on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. I'll be leaving tonight. But everything is nice and perky. So I'm quite pleased with how all the flowers have taken. These hostas tend to get quite big where I am. So if they do, I will be dividing them up because they get quite large. That over there, I'm just absolutely loving. I think Jason is coming. So very nice. I'd like this to be the next project, so I get that pile of mulch out of there. I think I'm going to use it primarily over here. So I'm going to spread it out this way here so that it's more in level with the patio. I'm going to get going. It's around 4:30ish now. Such a beautiful breeze here on the deck. It would have been a perfect evening to have dinner on the deck. Can't wait to bring my girlfriend over. Her son Austin is itching to come up. He wants to go fishing, so I can't wait to bring her up. So have a good afternoon. It's hard for me to go. It already was in the past, but now with that beach area, I could just sit there all day. In the shaded area, just beautiful. Give me a pina colada and I'll be fine. So really nice space there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and I'll touch base and update you next week.